I have no idea. Said the colors may change. Lapidary Dave did a video on him as well. So I think we're going to go outside and cook a couple of these nuggets. See what's in there. Sorry for that. Okay, so we're going to get these cut. Let's get a little bit closer. We're going to go down to the blade. Should do it. Let's have a look at these. We'll do this piece by piece. I'm going to put these. And I'm sorry, I'm looking at it and you can't even see. A bit of white. So we're going to just take this top off. Tight. Real nice. Like a couple more like that. And 1, 2, 3. Here's some more noise. Turn you off the way around. Region's got some great color. Doesn't have too much matrix. The matrix tends to be on the outside. Turquoise, and probably turquoise because it's got that copper in it. Actually, it's going to end up showing the facets that I left behind. So that's okay. A nice looking piece of turquoise. 12 by 18, ready to set. High dome. Hope you like it. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. Hope you enjoyed that, everybody, and we'll see you next time. In the meantime, take care of each other. Most of all, take care of yourself. Cheers now.